gonna be unboxing the Soku mouse pads, cloth pads. I hope they're good. Yeah.
FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Soku mouse pads. Let's see, where are we at here? We got some tape on the side. We need my knifey boy. Let's put that down for a second. Doing some Soku cloth pads. We're going to put them just right over my Type 99 here. There we go. What are we doing? Does it have tape on the other side, I'm assuming? Yep. Alright. So let's put the knife right here. See if I can gouge my desk. Alright. How does this open? We got, oh, fuck, we got more tape? What in the hell? It's like Fort fucking Knox. For those who don't know, that's where America keeps all of our gold, supposedly. I don't know. Okay, this looks like it's going to open like so. Try not to fucking spill my drink here. Oh, we got like a maroon color? Oh, yeah, I remember ordering this. I was like, I've never had the fucking artisan red wine color. Let's get this one. All right. It's in a plastic sleeve. I'm going to scoot this. I'm going to drop that. I don't want to fuck myself up. All right, here we go. Sure my mic settings are right. There we go. Opening the Soku mouse pad here. Trying not to break this in case I ever want to sell it. We're getting there. Discount pour-on backing. Like all careful with it, and I just fucking chuck it on the floor. Am I just not there mentally? Probably. It's probably the case. All right, let's get this up here. We got it on the Type 99. Let's see how we... Ooh, boy. I think this comes in like 2 textures. Oh, man, we're going to have to go full boy skates. Oh, man, that is really controlled. Holy shit. I don't know about that. I don't know about that one. Let's open the other one. Wow, that is... Here, let me get that box. It says the name of this shit underneath it. This is the, version is this. This is the control pad. So that was the control pad. It's 480 by 480. Control surface in wine red. Okay. Let's open the other one. This is the speed surface. Wonder if they make a balance. I only got 2 pads from them. I can't imagine them having all 3 and I didn't get all 3. That would be fucking silly, wouldn't it? Maybe I was having a day where I was like, I don't want to spend too much money on this. I don't even know if they're good. I like the Pengu pad, the penguin. That was pretty good. That was like in my laptop bag for a while. I enjoyed that. Pretty good mouse. Okay. We are opening this up. We open it out here. I got this in wine red. What am I, like, stupid? How am I going to tell these apart? Oh, God. FragWatch, what are you doing, man? What the hell are you doing, Fraggy boy? Good Lord. Why would I get this in wine red too? Maybe I'm gonna stick a black mouse pads. Yeah, so many of them. Tell these apart. Oh my God! Come on. FragWatch here. Opening a Soku Speed. This does not feel. This feels very coarse. Compared, yeah. I've only seen that a couple times where the speed pad is like feels more coarse to the touch. This is going to be a cup breaking method one. Holy shit. Oh, man, this is... Okay. We're going to flip this around when I actually use it. Holy shit. What is... All right. It's been the shit. It's been the unboxing of the Soku Speed and Control Pads, wine red. We'll have to cut break in these because, oh boy. All right.